Thank you, Keval. Have you
Yes,
put off
sir.
the video because now no, there is that I think problem of bandwidth. I will also put off my video. You also put off.
Yes, sir. There's a lot of problem from my side.
No,
Today in
even
school also I was not able to attend lecture.
no, no. I think everywhere it is network issue today.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Keval. What is one parsec value?
1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meters.
Or how many light year?
Light year, 3.26.
Correct. 3.26 light year. One AMU is what?
One atomic mass unit
Yes.
is 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg.
Correct. It is defined as what?
It is defined as a 1/12 the mass of carbon.
It is 1/12 mass of one carbon C12 atom.
Okay, sir.
Mass of 1/12 of
1/12
mass
of a
of one atom
carbon,
of C12. One atom of C12.
one atom of C12
Ah,
carbon atom.
yes. Guidelines for writing the units. Guidelines for writing the units. Write down heading. Guidelines for writing unit. First, this you have to again by heart. The symbol for a unit. What is symbol for unit kilogram?
Kg.
Kg and time?
Second.
S.
Yes,
Second.
correct. So that means the symbol for unit which is not named after scientist. Ampere is scientist का नाम.
Yes, sir.
So kilogram is scientist name.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Tarun, you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The symbol for which symbol for a unit which is not named after a scientist is written in small letter. Is written in small letter. Example.
Kg, meter, second.
Yes. Example. Meter is written as small m. Second is written as small s. Kilogram written in small letter kilogram. That is kg. So second meter, this is written as small kg. First point clear? Symbol for unit which is not after scientist name is written as small letter, meter small m, second small s, kilogram small k, then g. Right, first point. If not the name, then all symbols small letter, name then capital letter. It will become. First point, okay?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes. Second point, everybody has copied first one.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, take time and complete it.
Sir, in our class, teacher has started current electricity.
I know that after this chapter I will start. Sunday there is extra class, Tarun. Then afterwards I will start current. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This chapter is not connected with any chapter. So let us complete this first.
Sir.
Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one. The symbol for a unit which is named after a scientist is written with first letter of his name in capital. For example, capital N for Newton, capital J for Joule, capital W for Watt. PA is not Papa, Pa for Pascal.
Pascal.
Pressure unit. Rascal nahi
Blaise
Pascal.
Pascal.
You are telling Rascal, arey yaar.
No, sir, I am telling Pascal on
Acha,
PP.
acha. I thought you were
Blaise
telling
Pascal. It is named
Okay.
after
And
Isaac
H,
Newton.
yes, Isaac Newton, yes. James Watt. HZ for Hertz, Marconi Hertz.
Hertz.
Hertz, yes.
Then
C,
Ampere also from for which?
for Ampere also we can write. He was Danish scientist. J for C for Coulomb. Coulomb for charge we use. In current you are going to use this.
Yes, sir.
And V for volt.
Volt.
Yes, right.
Celsius also can be, na?
Pardon?
Celsius and Fahrenheit.
Celsius and Fahrenheit, yes.
Okay, sir.
But they are not SI unit,
Celsius
therefore we
and
are not taking.
So Kelvin will also come, no?
Kelvin can also come. See, when we say example, we don't write all, no? Few we write.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Not done, sir.
Waiting. Unless
Sir,
until I
what
get
is which scientist name?
V is for volt,
Yes, sir.
volt.
Yes, sir. So, Volt is named after which scientist?
Volt is named after scientist's name. I have to search, I forgot.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Today only I will
Sir,
Google
Coulomb
and
is for what?
charge.
Charge. Like Ampere, no?
Ampere is for current.
Oh.
Coulomb upon second is called ampere.
Coulomb upon second.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, sir. The table.
A is equal to C.
But sir, that ampere is that standard unit, no? Then
It is
sorry,
fundamental.
the fundamental unit, no? Then how can we? Then we can derive it by C upon T.
Yes. What you are saying is absolutely right. That entire C upon S, ampere is taken as fundamental. That means Coulomb is derived. It is ampere into time.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, first two point done.
Yes, sir.
Unit for which name is not there, that is small, name wala capital. Third one.
The names of scientists in units are written in small all letters.
Yes. Name of the scientist given, then it is written by capital letter, without name then small letter. But we are talking about now full name. The full name of the unit. Full name of unit means not kg, full kilogram. full second, full Kelvin, full ampere, that way. Full name of the unit, irrespective of the fact whether it is named after a scientist or not, is always written with lower means small, lower initial letter. Example, unit for mass is written as K small, kilogram. Unit of length is written as small m, metre. Unit of force is written as small n, not capital N. Short form then capital. If it is full, you are writing always small, whether it is name of scientist or not. Please copy this much. Yes, done.
No, sir, writing still.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Tarun.
Done, sir.
Okay. Keval,
Not done, sir.
waiting.
Done, sir.
Fourth one. See, what is meaning of simple?
Means basic,
हाँ एकदम बेसिक. कंपाउंड मतलब दो चीज का
complex.
मिक्सचर. हाँ. So only meter is simple. When I multiply with meter, it becomes compound. So whenever we say compound unit, it is product of two or more than two units. Like kg, meter, second, raised to minus 2. 1, 2, 3 units are there. Na?
Yes, sir.
This is called compound. Only Newton, simple.
Simple.
So 1. 4. A compound unit. What is meaning of compound unit? Product of 1 or 2. Single unit or product of 2 or more than 2.
Product of 2 or more than 2.
Yes. So compound unit formed by multiplication of two or more units is written after putting dot, cross, or leaving a space between the two symbols. For example, the unit of a quantity, a torque. Torque मतलब turning effect is.
Yes, sir. Newton meter.
You know this torque? It is that
Yes, sir. Last
quantity.
year we had done.
Acha.
Torque.
So we write this as Newton dot meter.
Moment of force.
Yes, correct. Or Newton into meter, or Newton and one space we leave and then we write meter. Right, fourth point.
Done, sir.
Done?
No, sir. Last line.
ठीक है.
Done, sir.
Very good.
Done, sir. Done.
Yes, very good. See, every time it will be product only. Sometimes it can be division also or not.
Yes.
When it is division, then we make this numerator with negative power. What is a raised to 2? 1 upon a raised to 2. Is it a raised to minus 2?
Yes.
1 upon a, is it a raised to minus 1?
Yes.
So meter goes up. Can I say meter raised to minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So negative power is used for compound units. Which are formed by dividing one unit by the other. Example.
kg meter second raised to minus 2.
Correct. Very good. For example, the unit of velocity is meter
Meter per second. Meter
upon second.
s raised to minus
It
1.
is written as meter s raised to minus 1. I hope followed.
Followed, sir.
Please copy.
Done, sir.
Okay, Tarun.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, 3 done. Next, 7. A unit in its short form is never written in plural. That means you can't write centimeters. This is wrong. You can't write meters. It will become meter second. Wrong. So unit, when you are writing in short form, it is never written in plural. Example.
So, sir, when it is written in the long form, we can make that plural centimeters, or we have to keep it only centimeter.
No, in long form,
Yes, sir, long
if
form.
you write, nothing will happen. But in short form, see, we don't write kilograms. No, we write kilogram.
Yes, sir.
But when you are writing in short form, please don't write this.
Okay, sir.
Just
Otherwise, it would be kilogram second.
yes.
Ah,
For amperes, we can say amperes while writing in full form, but in short form we can't.
So you write ampere, no harm. You write amperes, no harm. But short form, if you write, they will cancel.
Okay, sir. In exam, if they ask, convert the 2A into that long form, so I have to write 2 ampere. No?
Correct.
Okay, sir.
The unit in its short form is never written in plural. That means 10 meters cannot be. See, I've written here meters. So this is okay. But cannot be written as 10 meter and then here second. This is not correct. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Done.
Rita? Right.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done so fast.
Yes, sir.
Next. To avoid powers of 10 in the magnitude of quantity. To avoid powers of 10 in the magnitude of quantity, prefix can be used with its unit. Prefix can be used with its unit means, if I say,
Like 10 raised to minus 10, we can meter, we can write 10, 1 angstrom.
meter we can write,
1 angstrom.
no, suppose it is 10 raised to 6, okay? So instead of 10 raised to 6, we can write megawatt. If it is 10 raised to 3 meter, I can write kilometer. So prefix.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So to avoid powers of 10 in the magnitude of quantity, prefix can be used in its unit. For example, instead of 10 raised to 3 meter, we can
Write 1 kilometer.
write kilometer. Right. Hello. Yeah, Vijay sir.
Done, sir.
Good evening. हाँ, अरे सर बिंदास चलेगा सर, कुछ भी मत सोचो, कुछ भी ऐसा रहेगा डायरेक्ट आप मुझे बोलो सर, क्यों नहीं चलेगा? चलेगा। हाँ। करेक्ट। अच्छा। Sir, absolutely no problem. If you want somebody from my end to come at your place, I can do that. Or first is okay, no problem. Okay, sir. Okay. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Done, sir.
See, you can't write more than one prefix. Huh? If somebody writes kilo, meter, watt, ये नहीं चलेगा. दो prefix नहीं चलेगा. Kilo means 10 raised to 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Capital M, mega means 10 raised to 6. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट का बोलते हैं हम लोग giga. So we can't use two multiplier. Only one prefix should be used. 8. When prefix is used with the symbol of unit. When prefix is used with the symbol of unit, the prefix and symbol combined becomes, when prefix is used with the symbol of unit, the prefix and symbol combined becomes the new symbol of the unit. Becomes, mostly in exam they will ask any 2 or 3 rules, not all, huh? Becomes new symbol of unit. For example, kilo, meter raised to 3 is equals to, kilometer means how many meter? 10 raised to 3
Raised to 3.
meter, huh? This kilometer raised to 3 मतलब k अलग m अलग नहीं है. This kilometer
1000.
is 1000 meter and raised to 3. Okay.
Okay.
The whole
That is
cube.
10 raised to 6 meter cube. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Write down.
Done, sir.
Okay, dear. This completes our part 1A completely.
And sir, we have to remember the table, no, in some place, page number 7, I think.
No, you don't worry about that. I will tell how to remember. Don't remember that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Done, sir.
Now C part.
Sir, mine was
first.
not done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Written?
No, sir.
Write properly. Right.
Done, sir. Sir, it should be 10 raised to 9 meter cube, no?
No. Power we multiply power. No? A raised to m raised to n is a raised to mn. No? Hello?
Yes, sir, but where did this 2 come? The 10 raised to 3 multiplied with 3 is 9, no? The 10 raised to 9 meter cube will come.
Okay. Correct. Power
Done,
we
sir.
multiply. Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next part. Most of the school will give if they want to make paper difficult. So one sum definitely they will give 3 marks from this. That is part C. Measurement of time and simple pendulum. Measurement of time and simple pendulum. Have you seen this type of structure in hall clock? There is this type of structure, it keeps on moving.
Yes, sir. It's made up of invar.
Sudhanshu, you have seen this?
Yes, sir.
This way it is and it moves. Some places it does not move, then also watch runs.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have seen it in my grandfather's elder brother's house.
Acha, acha, acha. Now, what is simple pendulum? I will explain you first full. Simple pendulum. Have you seen any time jalebi wala?
Ah, sir.
He makes the
What, sir?
jalebi.
Jalebi wala. Yes, yes,
Ah,
yes.
he makes jalebi like this?
No, sir.
No, he makes in this ना
इसके
ऐसा
ऊपर एक.
मतलब हॉरिजॉन्टल करता है ना ऐसा ऐसा
Yes,
ऊपर
sir.
ऐसा थोड़ा ये लिफ्ट के अंदर रहता है स्प्रिंग. When lift is coming down, there is spring like this, then it gets compressed.
Ah, sir.
So if we take this way one bob means small metallic sphere. If it is rotating like this, जगह का जगह, ये जिलेबी वाला हो गया ना?
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
This pendulum
Jalebi.
is this मीठा लगा क्या?
हाँ?
जिलेबी मीठा लग गया क्या? This pendulum is
अभी तो
called
लॉकडाउन चल रहा है.
okay. This is called as conical simple pendulum. But we are talking about only simple pendulum. So if I take pendulum like this, it moves this way. Full जाने दिया तो ऐसा circle करेगा ना? ऐसा. This is
Yes,
what
sir.
this is called vertical circle, and this is called horizontal circle. है ना?
हाँ, sir.
This is vertical circle. This is horizontal, not followed.
Follow.
Followed, sir.
So simple pendulum makes which motion? Vertical circle वाला क्या? Horizontal circle.
Vertical circle.
हाँ, ठीक है. Yes, ठीक है. अभी देखो ध्यान से. They can ask for too much. Draw neat label diagram of simple pendulum. Or what is simple pendulum? I'm just telling. This type of ball-like structure is called what? Sphere, ना? इसको हम लोग इधर बोलते हैं बॉब. बाप नहीं है क्या ये बॉब? Don't say बाप. What it is called? Bob. Udanshu, what it is called? Bob. A simple pendulum consists of small metallic sphere called as bob, suspended. What is meaning of suspended? लटकाया क्या अटकाया?
लटकाया.
Latkaya. So latkaya means suspended. If I fix at one point, then atkaya. So this is what? Latkaya ki atkaya?
लटकाए.
लटकाया.
Yeah. Simple pendulum is small metallic sphere called as bob, suspended from rigid support. What is rigid? Its shape will not change. Huh?
Okay.
We usually represent it by like mirror represent करते हैं ना mirror. So rigid support is also shown like that. This is rigid support. Again, I am repeating. A small metallic sphere called as bob suspended with the help of light inextensible string. Which type of string? Light. Light means halka kya fulka?
हल्का फुल्का.
Halka fulka. So light inextensible string from rigid support. From rigid support, it is suspended. The pendulum is given small displacement so that it revolves on both sides of equilibrium position. This way it will go, come back, go on this side, again come back, not followed.
Followed, sir.
So this is length of string. This is nothing but string. Okay, draw diagram.
We have to draw this.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Yes, no problem. The circle is bob, line is string, rigid support, then it is oscillating. Once you complete, tell her. I'm taking 2 minutes tea break.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, if I'm writing definition, what is simple pendulum? A simple pendulum consists of small metallic sphere called as bob, suspended with the help of light in extensible spring from rigid support support. The pendulum is given small displacement. It performs oscillations on both sides of mean position. Mean means that starting position, both side of mean position. Same thing.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Right. Completed. Tarun, just by heart for 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
And please you all write and practice. That is your homework 2 times everything. Otherwise during exam you will understand but words will not flow properly.
2 times what, sir? Everything means.
Whatever I teach in class 2 times you should practice. That is your homework.
Okay, sir.
And next time onwards I will ask you to put your video on and see the homework. So one notebook you will make, homework notebook. Every lecture, before the start of the lecture, I will check your homework 5 minutes.
Sir, but till this Sunday, 2 times पूरा कैसे होगा?
What, Sudhanshu man? Today's work 2 time.
Okay.
It is not today's work 2 time. Sunday, today's work, how much we are doing. But once we have only Tuesday, Friday, then it will be easy na for you.
Yes, sir. Then
Done, sir. And sir, this inextensible light string is made up of which metal?
It is mostly thread, cotton thread.
Oh, cotton thread. I thought
Yeah.
it is metal.
No. That bob is very small. You can
Okay,
take
sir.
you can take nylon thread also. Nylon thread. Now there are. Can I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 5 definition we have to remember. First, oscillation. Have you traveled by train?
yes, sir.
The driver, he suppose starts from Thane, he goes to CST, and that's all. Then he sleeps and come next day. Again, he will start from CST and come back to Thane or not?
Yes.
That means he
My
will
God.
He will go to CST, come to Thane, back to CST, back to Thane. मतलब उसका आना जाना लगा रहता है ना?
हाँ, sir.
That is called oscillation. So when I go and come back. Suppose you are having problem in your stomach, तो आना जाना लगा रहता है ना?
हाँ, sir.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस किया है कभी ऐसा?
हैं? आना जाना कैसे जा रहा है?
मतलब एक बार आया वॉशरूम से बाहर, वापस अचानक भागा, वापस आया, फिर भागा, फिर गया.
पेट खराब है तभी.
That means oscillation.
sir.
हाँ.
Oscillation.
So oscillation means what? To and fro. So can I say one complete to and fro motion of bob of pendulum is called as one oscillation. I'm drawing diagram. You have to tell me whether one oscillation is completed or not. Bob is here. It comes to B. Is it one oscillation?
No, sir. Half.
It comes back to A. Is it one oscillation?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
no. ये पीछे जाने वाला है ना अभी.
अरे हाँ.
फिर से इधर आया अभी one oscillation. Means जिधर से start किया वापस comes back and follows same path. So while going from O to A, coming back to B, it is not turning. It will go on other side or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now comes back. Now one oscillation. Okay. Tell me. If I start from A, come to B, is it one oscillation?
No.
I start from A, come to B, one oscillation? No. I come back to A. Now one oscillation?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
I start from this, go to A, come back to A. One oscillation?
Yes, sir.
No. अभी इधर भी जाना है ना मुझे, रास्ता है ना. I will go ahead, come back. मतलब इधर से start किया first time. फिर से जब इधर आऊंगा ना, डायरेक्शन उधर ही रहना चाहिए. Facing towards A, then one oscillation.
Okay, sir. Understood.
पक्का?
हाँ, sir.
But sir, suppose if we have to do oscillation by walking, left में 2 किलोमीटर और right में 1000 किलोमीटर, तो कैसे oscillation
सेम रास्ता चाहिए. सेम पाथ होना चाहिए. 2 किलोमीटर आया, 2 किलोमीटर गया. Then it is one oscillation.
Yes, sir. Same distance.
हाँ, अभी इसका मूड आ गया, आगे गया, फिर कभी नहीं आया, तो थोड़ी बोलते oscillation. Same path, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now जब भी देखते हैं किसको कितना दिमाग है. This path is 8 meter long. What is distance covered in one oscillation? Tarun?
So 16. meter.
16. Superb. Beautiful dear. चलो और भी पूछता हूँ उसको 1 मिनट और सुधांशु
हाँ सर।
चलो एक डायग्राम फिर से पूछता हूँ आपको अब बताना कितना हो गया वन ऑसिलेशन का डिस्टेंस कवर कितना होएगा देन केवल को पूछता हूँ
ओके सर।
Tarun gave correct answer. If O is center of my path, I come up to a extreme end, which is 2 meter. Now what is my distance in one oscillation?
सर अभी तक पूरा ऑसिलेशन हुआ ही नहीं, बाकी
जब ये होएगा तभी का बात कर रहा हूँ जानम समझा करो O से A2 एक ऑसिलेशन हो गया तो कितना
6 मीटर।
8 meter.
yes 8 meter what should O to A2 coming back to total 4 other side to 6 फिर से इधर आया 8 ना
हाँ
अभी समझ गया सबको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट
हाँ सर।
हाँ sir.
yes Tarun followed one oscillation का meaning
Yes sir.
yes write definition don't draw anything else just definition
Done sir.
okay dear 1 second wait let others also complete
डन सर।
okay done now period of oscillation or only time period of oscillation or time period when you go to school you have only one period or 2-3 periods
2-3
4 period.
how you come to know first period खत्म हो गया
टाइम खत्म हो जाता है तो पहला पीरियड भी खत्म हो जाता
जब
है
फर्स्ट
It is
टीचर गया
divided.
सबका
The time
टाइम
is
होता है
divided.
सर।
pardon Tarun yes Tarun
The
what is that
time is divided.
okay that means when one teacher
The time
goes
is divided.
second teacher comes then I say one period is over na
यस सर।
this is suppose teacher says every Sunday there will be test means he is telling periodic test क्या रोज test
पीरियोडिक।
periodic मतलब एक संडे गया दूसरा टेस्ट कभी आएगा अगला संडे ना
हाँ सर।
so time taken to complete one oscillation is called as time period मतलब एक बार गया आया total time is time period एक पीरियड खत्म फिर सेकंड पीरियड वापस गया आया सेकंड पीरियड खत्म so
तो
कोई
एक
भी
और
काम
ऑसिलेशन
हाँ, मतलब कोई भी काम when you are completing once whatever time you take that is called time period suppose I complete entire
sir.
syllabus in 2 months so that and again I start revision again complete 2 months so my periodic time for completion of syllabus is 2 months
2 months.
हाँ,
Yes sir.
so
This means the time taken to complete one oscillation.
yes right time taken to complete one oscillation time taken to complete one oscillation is called as time period. It is denoted by capital T. Its unit is second.
Done sir.
Okay, everybody is done. Next definition.
Frequency.
Done, sir.
Frequency. Next one. Frequency of oscillation.
1 upon T.
No, first definition, then relation.
This is of sound.
See, wherever
Yes, sir. I did of sound only.
see, whenever vibratory motion comes, sound where there is particles are vibrating, no? So the same thing will be repeated.
Okay, sir.
It is the number of oscillations completed in 1 second. Completed in 1 second. See, one student comes again late. So frequently he comes late. So I asked, why you are late? He said, sir, my frequency of late will be 10 days every month. Please don't tell me anything. तो उसने क्या बोल दिया, एक महीने में कितना बार लेट आएगा?
10
10 दिन.
10 बार. I cannot say anything. बोला क्या मेरा frequency सर 10 है ना. So कितना बार something will happen in 1 second is called as what?
Frequency.
Frequency.
The number of oscillations in 1 second.
See, suppose in 1 second I can eat 4 chapatis. So what is my frequency of eating chapati?
4.
4.
Yes. While swimming, I can move my hand 10 times in 1 second. So what is my frequency?
10.
10. So now it is number of oscillation completed in 1 second. It is denoted by F or N. Its unit is per.
Sir, F and N both should be small only, no?
Both should be small, yes. Its unit is per second. That means second raised to -1 or hertz. Small h, hertz. And inside it is written Hz. Okay, written?
Yes, sir. Now next should be wavelength, no?
No, that is sound chapter. This is we are doing related to pendulum, na?
Okay, sir.
तो बाप के अंदर से वेव निकलेगा क्या? सॉरी, बॉब के अंदर से वेव निकलेगा क्या?
Huh?
Bob, will it emit wave?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
no wavelength. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, Taru, done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Relation between time, period and frequency. Very important. Relation between time, period and what is meaning of time period? Time taken to complete how many oscillation?
1.
1. Suppose in 10 rupees I get 1 mango. Then in 1 rupee I will get how many mango?
1/6.
1/10 mango.
Don't say 10 mango. So every time I will say bring 10 mango only. In 5
वरना
rupees.
10 रुपए के 100 आ जाते हैं.
तो फिर सब लोग बोलेंगे 10 रुपए का एक, इससे अच्छा 1 रुपए का लेता हूँ 10 मिलेगा. So can I say in time period capital T number of oscillations equal to 1. So in 1 second number of oscillations equal to 1/t or not?
Yes, sir.
But number of oscillations completed in 1 second is called as frequency. Correct or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So
Called as-
frequency equals to 1 upon t and time period equals to 1 upon frequency.
Correct. So I can say therefore f is 1 upon t, or t is 1 by f, not followed.
Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
Copy definition. See, every chapter now with full interest you have to do. Hardly there are 10 chapters.
And in 10 chapters, there are 3 parts each. So
Correct.
almost
Correct.
we say 30
Yes.
chapters,
Yes, correct.
in which the part C is very small, always.
Yes, that means you have done entire postmortem. You are planning to become surgeon.
No, sir.
So engineer, doctor, architect.
Engineer only.
Okay.
Done, sir. And
Okay.
we can write n also, no?
We can write
N
n
equals
equal
to
to 1 upon t. That also can.
I will write n only better.
Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
F लिखेंगे तो ऐसा लगता है for me equals to 1 upon 10. So better is n only.
See, there is one more symbol. This way. This is called new.
And u.
New. Greek letter it is. Greek letter. Greek वाला थोड़ा बाकड़ा रहता है. This is new. A delta. This is alpha. See, beta.
Yes, sir. Alpha is the coefficient of that
Linear
linear expansion.
Array, great.
Beta is for what?
Aerial or superficial.
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 And one more for that
Cubical or volume. Cubical or volume. One more definition, amplitude.
Gamma.
Maximum displacement.
From right side or left side?
वो दोनों में एक ही होगा ना?
Either side ना. ये position.
Either side.
इधर से ऊपर, इधर से नीचे. Maximum distance covered is called as amplitude. The maximum displacement of the bob from mean position on either side. Maximum displacement of bob from mean position on either side is called as amplitude. Right now. It is denoted by small a or capital A. Its unit is meter.
Answer.
Okay. Effective.
Sir, mine was not done.
Done, sir.
Not done, sir.
Not done.
That it is denoted till that only I could do. Its unit is meter. Done.
Next is effective length of a pendulum. See, this is bob, okay, and this is length of string, this much. O is suppose point of suspension, and C is center of the bob. Then this O to C is called actual distance. Hello?
Yes.
Didn't understand, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, I didn't understand.
See, this is the string whose
Yes,
length
sir.
is suppose 2.5 meter.
Yes.
Here I suspend a bob whose radius is 0.5 meter. So length of pendulum will be string plus radius.
Oh, that means 3 meters.
But
Understood.
because usually bob is very small, so we neglect this. But practically it is not. So what
But
is it?
sir, why do we take only radius? Why don't we take diameter?
Because at center, entire mass of body is supposed to be concentrated. So we take distance from point of suspension and center of gravity. ठीक है? कौन सा गया?
Okay, sir.
Bouncer चला गया. Yes, sir.
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Bouncer.
कौन सा गया? ओके. अब ये एक बॉडी है, सर्कुलर बॉडी, उसको मुझे घुमाने का है, तो फिंगर उसका सेंटर पे रखूं तो घूमेगा ना. तो इसका मतलब क्या, पूरा वजन को मैंने सेंटर पे पाइवट. That's called center of gravity.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
My entire body's center of gravity is my nimulus.
Okay, sir.
So effective length means what? The distance
The distance
from point of suspension to the center of gravity of bob is called as the distance from point of suspension to the center of gravity of bob is called as effective length of pendulum. Understood now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
See, generally we take length of string as length of pendulum because that radius is very small. 0.5 meter, so I gave example, but actually it is too small. So definition wise, point of suspension to the center of gravity is called as length, but in numerical or in solving sum, you can neglect the radius. Is completed now?
Yes, sir. Done.
Sunday, please revise and keep everything.
2 minutes, sir.
Huh? Yes?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay.
And sir, that pendulum diagram also we have to do in that homework notebook.
Whatever I have explained, please practice 2 times so that you need not bother. Whenever exam is there, you are able to retain that. Na, fatafat ho jayega.
Very basic.
Yes, sir.
So we'll meet on Sunday 4:30. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.